Hey guys, do you want to play YouTube in the background while you're doing other things? Well, this is how you get picture in picture. First, we're going to want to go to settings. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click settings. I'm going to push this to the side for now. Then we're going to go to general. And then from general, you'll see picture in picture. Go ahead and click that. Make sure this toggle is on, right? So then after we do that, we can now go into YouTube. And we go to YouTube, make sure to click on your profile picture right here. From here, we're going to go ahead and push the script settings right up here. From settings, then we're going to want to go down and then you'll see video and audio preferences. So go ahead and go to playback, and then you're going to want to make sure that picture in picture is on right here, this toggle right here. Now, when you go to your YouTube, so we're going to go back and whatever video you choose, let's choose this one. So it's a ad right now. Let me get past this ad. Now, when you swipe down, it'll be there in the background, and then you'll have YouTube playing in the background of your iPhone. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. See you next time. I'm Quick Assist. Bye-bye.